What's up mga katao? We're here to create a moving picture in just 2 minutes. From this ordinary picture into this moving picture. These are the art ingredients: Android phone, photo, Pixaloop app, and under Pixaloop app, sky, overlay, element, and camera FX. These are the ingredients na gagamitin natin. Let's do this! Sa phone natin, open natin yung Pixaloop app. Click New Project and select yung picture na gusto nyo. Unahin nating baguhin ang sky. Select DS05. Click Play button para makitang gumalaw ang sky. Lagyan naman natin ng overlay. Select ES06, yung parang snow effect. Try natin lagyan ng element. Sa element, select natin ang mga ibon. Lagay natin sa upper left corner. Select camera FX para medyo gumagalaw yung picture. Select FX05 para nagzo-zoom in, zoom out. Kung satisfied ka na sa effects, click export sa upper right corner. Ayun! From an ordinary picture, naging moving picture in under 2 minutes. For more cooking art, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Happy New Year!